Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your carrier and plan support personal hotspot. Otherwise, it won't work no matter what you do. Once confirmed, make sure cellular, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth are enabled in Control Center. Open Settings, tap Personal Hotspot, and toggle Allow Others to join on. This immediately broadcasts the hotspot. You're doing this first because it creates the network interface the phone uses to share cellular data with other devices. Now set a secure Wi-Fi password in the Personal Hotspot screen so only authorized devices join. This protects your data and preserves speed. Once set, choose how to connect. Wi-Fi is simplest for phones and tablets. USB tethering gives the most reliable throughput and no wireless interference, and Bluetooth uses less power but is slower. For USB, plug your iPhone into the computer, tap Trust when prompted. Then pick the iPhone network on the computer. Just to finish, watch your data usage in Settings, right arrow Cellular, and remember to turn Personal Hotspot off when you're done to avoid accidental tethering. If a device can't join, first toggle the hotspot off and on, then restart the iPhone. If that fails, reset network settings as a deeper fix. Make sure the other device is within range and using the correct password. If problems persist, contact your carrier. Sometimes provisioning or APN settings need adjustment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.